5:32 this morning, a former Detroit police officer is making waves across social media, but this time everyone is applauding the post.
7 Action News reporter Shelly Childers joins us live this morning. So Shelly, how many times has this post been shared?
And new Malcolm, this post has gone viral. It's been shared more than 93,000 times. Retired Detroit police officer Mary McGregor posted a picture from her first day on the job 17 years ago. And in this post, she describes sacrifice after sacrifice she's made over the years, missed family holidays and late hours, along with a slew of physical and emotional injuries, black eyes, torn ligaments, stab wounds, stitches, ruptured discs, PTSD, and depression. She explains how she's been shot at, watched fellow officers die on the job, given death notices, and risked her life every single day. McGregor describes the sights, sounds, and smells that haunt her, that she volunteered to experience in order to protect the public. And in this post, she asks for understanding and compassion, saying, quote, "Are cops perfect? No. Are there bad cops? Yes. But please understand that the vast majority of police are good, loving, well-intentioned family people. They have husbands and wives and children and parents and pets, cousins and mortgages and electric bills, and they have lawns that need cutting just like you. They have hearts and consciences." She ends the post by saying, "We are all so much better than this." Now, her post comes on the heels of Detroit police reprimanding some of their own for recent social media posts and making arrests for other people threatening police on social media. This is a post that has clearly gone viral, for such a good reason. It's something we all need to read and we can all learn from. Anu?
Yeah, Shelly, I read it. Certainly powerful words. I'm curious, what kind of feedback is she getting?
Now, she did a second follow-up post talking about the messages that she has received, applauds and just welcome. She's gotten stories from people in the military and other law enforcement from across the nation, just sharing a little piece of their life and their career with her. Just people really resonating with her posts this morning.
Good to hear. All right, Shelly, thank you so much for that live report.